cooking again this week. I'm so happy. It's cooking day. So I read a very strange story. A very strange story. Look. It's the little lady who swallowed a fly. And in my story, she swallowed a fly. And then she swallowed a spider. And then she swallowed a bird. And then she swallowed a cat. And then she swallowed a dog. And then she swallowed a horse. Look at all those strange things inside her. That's not good for eating. And I thought, I know, we need to make her something delicious to eat. So today we are going to make some jellies. Ooh, and some fruit jellies. Let's see. You need to choose your fruit for today's recipe. See what you can choose. Maybe you can choose a banana. Maybe you can choose an orange. Maybe you can choose a kiwi. Maybe you can choose a melon. Maybe you like a juicy pomegranate. When you've chosen your fruit, you need to cut your fruit. So let's see, what do we have to do today? Number 1, first, choose your fruit. And cut your fruit. Next, you need to put the fruit into some cups. You can use any cups like this. After, you need to dissolve your jelly in a jug. So you'll need a jug like this. Dissolve the jelly in a jug. For that you will need some very hot water. So be careful. You can watch the steam coming out of the kettle, but don't touch. It's very hot. Okay. Then you need to add some milk to your jelly. So mix up the water and the jelly and then pour in the milk. Finally, you need to put the jelly and the fruit into the fridge so it's very cold and leave it there for about 1 hour, and then later you can come back, take it out. Maybe you can put a jelly on a plate, give it a squeeze and see if your jelly will wobble wobble on your plate. Have fun, everybody, and I hope your jelly in your tummy is a bit better than all these crazy animals. What a strange old lady. Enjoy making your fruit